Hello folks, this video is about the iRobot vacuum system, Roomba. We've been having problem with this product finding its space to empty the beam and recharge its battery, and it doesn't respond properly. It's not reading the sensor. It's very frustrating. I called technical support so many times and we couldn't get it fixed. I strongly not recommend it, and here what I wanted to show you guys how this has been having a hard time to find its base. Here we go. And now it's been told to find home to recharge. See, it cannot find its base and dock properly. Very frustrating, and apparently it won't do it. So many times we tried so many different versions, relocating the base to another position of the home, and it still cannot find its base. And as I said, I do not recommend this product. Still fighting in a corner. When the blue lights is blinking like this, it's been told to go back to home base, and apparently can't find it. Right now it's not in a vacuum mode. It won't dock.